we guide you through how to get an image ID in Roblox using the updated 2026 method. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Roblox account and click Create, then select Creations and choose Decals. Upload your image and wait for it to finish processing, and once approved, click the uploaded decal to open its page. Now, look at the browser address bar and copy the long number at the end of the URL. That number is your image ID. If you only see a decal ID, don't worry. Simply replace the word decal with asset in the URL and reload the page. Then, copy the new number shown, and that's the correct image ID you pasted into your Roblox Studio or any item that asks for an image. Always make sure your image follows Roblox guidelines to avoid moderations issues.